So we're gonna see if we can get free 2 gig on this app. They say we're gonna get free 2 gig, so we're gonna test it out right here, right now, and at the end we'll be able to see if we're gonna get this free 2 gig or not. So if you want free data, you do not want to buy data, you don't want to buy airtime, this video is for you. So before I start, I just want to say shout out to you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing to this channel. If you didn't subscribe, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now, and on our next video you'll get it. Shout out. So here's the app. I'm gonna open it. The name of the app is Spin and Daily 2 gig every day, right? Spin and Daily 2 gig data. So I'm just gonna open it. So we're gonna see if we can get this free 2 gig or not. Disclaimer, guys, this is my first time using this app. I downloaded it about 2 months ago or one, but right now I just started using it like this week. So I was just thinking, okay, let me share it with you guys. Let me know if you know this app or not. So you can see right here, right? You can get this free data by playing quiz, game, and spin. So we're gonna start with spin, right? Let's click right here on spin. So let me spin right now. So you won 1 MB, okay, just wait for it, still loading. You can click here again, so you can see right now I didn't win anything. Okay, let me wait, spin now. Okay, I won one. So this like I got like let me see at the top right here. I don't see anything right there. There must be like a balance right here at the top. So let me continue. Let me come here on data balance. So yeah, right here is the balance right now, 19 MB. Right. So let's go back. Let's go to start now, right? So start now, I guess right here is play quiz, and okay, right, okay, let's go to play quiz, right? So right here there are some options, right? You can go for logos, for maths, and so on and so on. So I'm just gonna click right here in geography. Okay, one of the things that I do not like about this app is the full of ads, so I'm just gonna go with as a guest. Right, so gonna play some game right here. It's like we're playing a quiz, right? It's almost like a game. Right, I'm gonna answer some simple questions right here. Let's see. So they're just gonna ask some questions right there. This is Snapchat, we know this. I do not know this. I'm looking to look for this. Okay, I don't know this brand. I know this brand. I know this brand. The thing is, yes, I know this one. So guys, pretty much this is what you can do on the quiz, right? So let's go back. Here we're gonna play some games, right? So click right and play games. So I do not really want to go deep in this one because like it's full of ads, so it's gonna load and take time to start playing game. But let me try, right? Let me try. So you can see this one is ad. Don't click on ads, don't click on ads. So just go to, I don't know, let's go to this one. So I'm just gonna go for this one. I don't know, happy farmers. Okay, let's go. Happy farmers, play game. So this is the game, so let's start. Okay, I don't know what I do not even know what I'm doing right here, eh? So pretty much guys, this is what you can do, right? This is what you can do. What are we doing here? I don't know what the hell are we doing right here. Let's quit, eh? Let's go back. Okay guys, that is all on how to play game. Just go for the game you want, right? So right here, so far I have 23 MB. So let's click right here on how to get, right? So for every play you get 2 MB, like 2 megabytes. So let's check it out right here. The update right was on January 17, 2023. So this is how to play, right? So you play and you collect MB. So after that you're gonna redeem. If you do not get, okay. If you do not receive, okay. So pretty much guys, this, how to get this data on this app. You must keep on playing, keep on playing those quiz, and do everything right there up until you reach 2 gig, which is like nearly impossible guys. Like 2 MB for every place, so you can get 2 gig. This is crazy guys, this is crazy. So I even went through the Play Store where I downloaded it, so you can see right here. So as you can see right here, they got 4.7 ratings, 9k reviews, over 500,000 of downloads. Like I don't know, like these people really taking time to play those games so can get that free data. That this is crazy guys, this is crazy guys. But guys, this is pretty much on how to get this free 2 gig. So all you have to do, just have to keep on playing those games up until you reach 2 gig on your balance, and after that you just click on redeem and you'll get your data. So let me know in the comment section right there guys, have you ever used this app? You got data or not? If this method is not working for you, or you feel like this method is gonna take me a lot of time just like me, please check out this video right here.